my convertible Hpi Baja Braap. My gear should be here tomorrow. Put the transmission together. Then I can put the body mount on the back. But I did the body mounts on the front. I just gotta take it back off and paint it black because this blue one was on my F5. And I gotta put the roll cage back in with the rear wing. I'm gonna put the rear wing on when I put the roll cage back in. So y'all, a lot of people know these bodies hard to get. So just something I thought I'd do, be different. I had it up in the closet. I will never use it again. So I found something I could use it for. So yeah. That's why I mounted the body posts that they mounted perfect. So that wasn't the issue. Now I just gotta take them back off and paint them black. And we ready. But yeah, stay tuned. Convertible Hpi Baja.